So I'm trying to figure out this mystery. The clearance light doesn't work, but all the other lights work. Blinkers and such. I tried it on a different trailer, so I think it's a fuse on my truck. And when I looked it up, it's clearance trailer marker lights, but I checked both fuse boxes and it doesn't. See, this works. Those work. But that doesn't work. So at first I thought it was maybe the trailer, the other one that we had, and they looked at it and they said everything's fine on that trailer. But I don't know what fuse it is. So since I'm here at a terminal and I have like an hour before I need to leave, I'm going to figure it out. See, this one doesn't work either. Okay, so I have all these. They said it's an EJ5, which is 20. So I already got my hood open, so let's go and see if this is it. So I'm gonna do this with no gloves on. So we take this off, you open the hood. This is one of them. There's another one underneath the bunk. So you take up EJ5. J5 is right here. And then it gives you this little gadget. Somebody showed me this one day. Oh no, my hands are dirty. So then it says trailer marker light J530A. J530A. So we need J5. There it is. It's a 30. So let's see. It's this. Me. Alright, so we see it's not on. 30 can go like this. Oops. So let's see, open this. Okay, wait. Alright, let me try these. Maybe this will work. So J530A is this. I turned my truck off too. Look at that, that's burnt. So let's put that there. And then we're gonna get a 30, which is this green one. And I think it was this way in there. Alright, let's go see if it works. Look at that, it works. Hey, alright, let's check the back. Those work? Alright. Those were fine, it was just that. So let's check this side. Alright, we're good.